We're like, what the heck? We're like, when is he going to be done? Is he still going? Jonah's already flown twice since you've been out.
That's right. He did fly twice.
And he was flying laid back too.
Yeah,
so.
that's true.
All right, I'm coming out. I'm gonna do something out of character and sit down for once.
Channel cleared.
That's right.
I'm coming down.
Okay.
That was a joke, Keon. I didn't say you actually lazy. I'm the real lazy one here. Come on back to red. Get over the wrong way. Use the notch of flaps and it'll come in.
I think he is, isn't he?
What?
You using flaps?
Flaps and it'll come in.
I'm not using flaps.
Oh, okay.
Well, I just your nose wheel now. Alright, you're gonna land then if I take off. Alright, raise it.
You land, I take off.
You guys don't have to wait for me. If you want to come out, go ahead.
He wants to wait. He has his phobia of flying with other people.
Okay.
Time remaining. 3.
You got it. Good job, Jonah.
Let's see.
Doing a pass from the left.
If you take off, then you can land.
Low and fast.
What? Jack, you've done it before. You did it like 5 times. 5 times. You're able to do it now just because it's a different day. Alright, Jack, move your plane out of his way. Alright, arm it up. We can fly with Ray. He's only one plane. He's not
I'll
gonna
stay out of your way. I won't be by you.
Jack, you know how Ray flies. He's a crazy man.
But I'm crazy but controlled.
One important thing is that Ray, he knows how to stay out of your way.
Yeah.
I don't. Never fly.
Come on, Jonah.
Hey, at least he admits it. Push it together.
Time remaining. 2 minutes.
You know what? Actually, I won't take off. That's the end. Alright, let me tap it on the track so you can see the noses.
What's wrong?
Make sure so.
You sure to check it?
Skysword!
Looks good.
Seems pretty straight to me.
That's perfect. That's perfect.
Alright, Jack, you're taking off. The nose wheel's perfectly straight.
You guys may as well wait now. I'm almost done.
Yeah. Well, Jack, I'm not gonna. Jack!
Everybody wake up!
Ah! Jack, I'm not gonna be
There's a
landing
bee
your.
right above me. Holy shit. Is there a bee next to me?
Jack, I'm not gonna be landing your plane for you every time, so.
Nate. Go to Nate. Go to Nate.
Oh, it's windy up there. Sheesh. Yeah. It's really windy. My plane was going up but sideways.
Hey, Ray, you like this?
Ah.
That was the fan out of my Ventura.
So that's the FMS?
Yeah, it's an FMS 2000 kV.
Why does it sound like that?
I don't know.
Sounds like an Outrunner.
Oh, God. Alright, can you guys stay out of Jackson's Stop.
I'm almost done, guys. Just hold on.
I know.
Time remaining.
Can you guys stay out of Jackson's way, please?
33 seconds.
Ryan and Keon, can you guys just avoid him?
No. Wait, what do you mean?
He has a phobia of flying with other people, so can you guys just stay out of your way? His way?
Oh, yeah.
I mean, I know Keon's not going to take that issue, but I know you will.
Gear down.
Is that what?
Alrighty, landing from the right.
10, 9, landing.
You're the guy that like he's running into
7, 6,
Dude, I'm just,
Five,
he wants to fly his
4,
jet, but it's like,
3, 2, 1.
Which one is Castle ESC?
yeah.
You can always tell by the way they start.
I know.
3.
Alright, that's it, you're going
Flaps
first.
up.
You at the jack.
Time expired.
Guys, go ahead, taxi out.
It's perfect. It's perfectly straight now.
I'll line up. I'm not gonna take off.
Go ahead, because I got to come in. I'm just.
Turning, how bad?
I can't come
Pretty
in with you
bad?
guys there, so.
Oh, it's turning. Come on. I'll take it.
Is it really?
The nose gear is floppy on this thing. It's like you get it perfectly straight in your eye, and it's.
All right.
All right, I think we're gonna have Gary print you that nose gear holder, cause the nose gear.
Too much fun.